got on the double the key. Not only but what knows your key. Not only with your glasses watching me.
What's marmalade? It's a sort of orange preserve often found on toast. Oh, what's marmalade? Oh, my Ida. Now listen very carefully to me, love. Walk towards me very slowly. No sudden moves.
What are you quacking about?
There's something behind you. Something not very nice.
This is your son, dear.
Oh! I've created a monster!
Look at him. Now the children of some make up.
Look at him. Are you sure he's really one of us?
Family like a fearless roll. Still you won't poke fun. On you must get along. He's the special son. Now come along, all of you, follow me, but stay close to me at all times, or you may get wrong. And beware of the cat.
Look at him. Like your Becky and the knees are out. Look at him. Dad is obviously anxious, shocked. Let the neighbors scream it out when they see our brood. He's the proudest water cow.
Why are you so rude?
Ooh, touchy.
Look at you, look at me, what's it matter?
Isn't it obvious?
Why do I make you all laugh and scoff?
Have you seen your reflection?
Why can't we play with the fishes?
Because you scare them off.
If they knew just how dearly I would love to talk. But it's true, I'm a bird who seems to lack the nest. I'm just different from the rest, and who can blame them wanting me to find another nest? But different isn't naughty, different isn't bad, so why should being different make me sad? I'm just different. We're like peas from the same pod. No wonder they make fun of me. Life's harder when you're odd. But different isn't scary. Different is no threat. And although I'm still their brother, they forget I didn't choose to look this way. I didn't want to be unique. I don't like these grubby feathers, and I hate this stubby beak. There's a runt in every litter, one black sheep in every flock. But when you know it's you somehow, your ego takes a knock. My mother must have been thinking of someone else. She told me to beware of the cat.
Bless her. Mothers are all the same. For some reason, they think it's part of their job description to stop us from having fun. But not my mother, though. Oh no, she was different. Do you know what she play with you.
To me, more empty than the land. Everywhere, the sun won't show. A shadow has been cast. Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and gray. Every year of life to bring us away. Our task is one of reconnaissance and reunification.
The duckling lost his mom. Bless him. We are going to find her.
You are a fine body of geese, and I know you will give us your best. Good luck, men. We're off on a wild goose chase. We will be no strangers today. The squadron will know no fear. We're off, and no matter where we follow my goggles and sky, the goggles ashore to find your home.
Ida, if you see this though, please come home. The kids aren't coping so well without you.
In sinister development, it may also appear that Ida is now also gone missing. So once again, we are appealing to you if you have any information. Numbers coming up on your screen.
As a drink, my mistake was letting her go searching for my son. Yeah, that one, it ain't right. After weeks, filling beaks here and Danny. I'm depressed around the nest, day and night.
Maybe when you return this spring, we can meet up some other time.
Are you sure you'll be alright?
I'm sure.
Penny, come on, brother, we'll be late. I don't like sleep.
Honk? She won't remember me. She probably won't even come back. Why would someone like her want anything to do with me?
Ugly?
There, I hope you feel better now.
Whoa. Hang on a minute. Mind if I come off and jump back on again? I mean, have a word with yourself, Feathers. Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. There, see? I mean, connect the dots. We're talking ugly, but they don't come any more aesthetically challenged than me. 'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love you. Out there somewhere, someone's gonna love you. Boys and girls, boys and girls, boys and girls.
No. But listen, if you come with me, I'll take you back to the duckyard. And you'll get to see our mother. For one last time.
Either way, I get eaten, right?
Well, you can't have it both ways. Now, quick, he's coming back. Make up your mind.
All right, Ron.
And don't try any funny business. Remember, this way at least you get to see your mother again.
Well, here's the cream of my place. He's escaped.
The winds has blown, the snow and drifts, too beautiful for words. It may look good for Christmas party. course I remember you, Penny. How could I forget you? You're the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
Well, you should take a look at your own reflection.
I like being me. I like my honk. I like being different.
You are certainly that. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Well, come on then, what are we waiting for? I can't wait to see Drake's reaction. I think he might even lay an egg, and what that might turn into doesn't bear thinking about.
But wait, I've got some unfinished business.